indicating its importance as a sacred site for worship. Cambodian soldiers guard the disputed ancient Khmer temple Prasat Thamuen Tom, or Prasat Thamon Tom in Khmer, on the Cambodian-Thai border in Odar Mienche province on March 26. The Hindu temple is the largest of the three temples in its immediate area. It sits on one of the passes through the Dang Rek Mountains, a strategic point that separates Thailand's Khorat Plateau from the plains of Cambodia, as per the Tourism Authority of Thailand. The temple is mainly built from laterite, a durable red soil, with some sandstone elements, and features a rectangular layout. Notably, its main entrance faces south, which is unusual for Khmer temples that typically face east. Some sources suggest it was built around the 12th century as a Hindu shrine. The temple complex is situated in an area where the boundary demarcation between Cambodia and Thailand is incomplete. Both countries claim the temple is their territory, leading to regular military presence and occasional confrontations, Bangkok Post reported. 8 Thai soldiers stands guard as Cambodian people visit the disputed ancient Khmer temple Prasat Thamuen Tom, or Prasat Thamon Tom in Khmer, on the Cambodian-Thai border in Odar Mienche province on March 26. In February, a group of Cambodian soldiers visited the temple area and began singing their national anthem. They were confronted by Thai soldiers stationed nearby. A video of the exchange, filmed by a Thai, surfaced online, showing a heated verbal exchange between the two sides. Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Manet stated in March that while Cambodia prioritizes peaceful resolution, it would be ready to use military force if Thai troops violated Cambodian sovereignty. In May 2025, a meeting between Cambodian and Thai military officials resulted in an agreement to maintain troops at their previous positions and station only 5 soldiers from each country directly at the temple site to prevent further clashes, Nation Thailand reported. A Cambodian soldier Center L shakes hands with a Thai soldier Center R at the disputed ancient Khmer temple Prasat Thamuen Tom, or Prasat Thamon Tom in Khmer, on the Cambodian-Thai border in Odar Mienche province on March 26. Despite the border sensitivities, the Thamon temple continues to attract tourists from both Cambodia and Thailand. Visitors are generally allowed access, though they are advised to check with local military units and carry identification due to its proximity to the border. Cambodian authorities actively promote visits to the temple, considering it a significant symbol of Khmer heritage.